This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open Playnite and sit with your controller or mouse ready. First, open the main menu, then choose Settings to begin. Next, open File Explorer and find %appdata%\Playnite/themes on Windows. Back up that entire themes folder in another location before you change anything. Download a theme zip from a trusted source, or copy a theme folder you already have. Move the theme files into the themes folder, and then inside Playnite settings, select the Interface tab to view theme options. Use the theme drop-down to pick the theme you installed from the themes folder. After selection, click Apply to load the new theme into the UI immediately. If Playnite prompts for a restart, accept and let it restart to finalize changes. After restart, reopen settings to adjust layout, font size, and accent color within interface options for a polished look and personal preference. To customize a theme further, open its folder and edit theme. JSON or style CSS files carefully. Change values like font size, accent color, or image paths and save your edits to test them. If the new theme breaks Playnite, close the app and restore your backup themes folder you created earlier. You can also start Playnite in safe mode or check Playnite. Log for error messages to diagnose issues. After fixes, apply the corrected theme and restart Playnite to confirm stable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.